What is the difference between ipsilateral and contralateral? Imagine you're watching a game of tennis. When the player hits the ball on their right side and it lands on the opponent's right side, you can think of that as an example of something happening on the same side. Now, if the ball lands on the opponent's left side, that's like something happening on the opposite side. In the world of anatomy, these ideas help us describe where parts of the body are in relation to each other and the body's middle line. Let's break it down. Ipsilateral means on the same side. If a nerve or a muscle is called ipsilateral, it means it's on the same side of the body as something else we're talking about. For example, if you have a problem in the right side of your brain and you notice weakness in your right arm, that weakness is ipsilateral to the brain issue. It stays on the same side. Contralateral means on the opposite side. So, if a stroke happens in the left side of your brain and your right arm becomes weak, that weakness is contralateral to the brain injury. It's on the opposite side. This crossing of nerve signals is common in the nervous system. Many nerve fibers from the brain cross over to the other side before reaching muscles or organs. Understanding these terms helps doctors figure out what's going on when someone has neurological symptoms. If a person has a problem on one side of the body, knowing whether it is ipsilateral or contralateral to the brain injury tells us a lot about how the nerves are working. For example, many pathways in the brain cross over at a point called the decussation, which is why damage to one side often affects the opposite side of the body. In practical terms, if a doctor says a muscle movement is ipsilateral, it means the movement is happening on the same side as the brain or nerve that controls it. If they say contralateral, it means the control or effect is on the opposite side. This helps in diagnosing conditions and planning treatments or physical therapy. So, to sum it up, ipsilateral means on the same side, and contralateral means on the opposite side. These terms are essential for understanding how our nervous system connects and communicates within the body. They help us describe where things are and how they work together, especially when it comes to movements, sensations, and neurological functions.